Today in class we discuss proportional relationships versus non-proportional relationships and how to determine these relationships from a chart, a graph, a word problem. So when you look at this, there's two different types. There's proportional and non-proportional. Proportional relationships always make a straight line and they start at 0, 0. So this example from your homework last night is a proportional relationship because it starts at 0, 0 and it makes a straight line all the way across. This one is also proportional because it starts at 0, 0 and it makes a straight line all the way across. Number 3 from your homework, however, is a little bit different. Notice this plus part right here. Anytime something is added to the equation, it changes where the graph starts. For example, here's our graph from number 3 on our homework. This one starts at 25. Although it makes a straight line, because it does not start at 0, 0, it is a non-proportional relationship. So from the graph you can tell because it doesn't start at 0. From the equation you can tell because it has something added or subtracted. And from the chart you can tell by plugging in 0 to your process. So at 0 this would be 25 plus 50 times 0. This would go away and your output value would be 25. So because it wasn't 0 with an output of 0, that is non-proportional. So in our last example from today's homework, we had something added or subtracted to our equation, which makes this a non-proportional relationship. You can tell again from the chart by if you plug in 0, 60 plus 10 times 0, that goes away and your output value is 60. So if you have an input of 0 and an output of something other than 0, it is non-proportional. You can tell from your equation because it does not start, something is added or subtracted to the equation. And then again from your graph, notice how your graph does not start at 0. So that's how you determine a proportional versus non-proportional relationship.